Hello everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. This video I will show you how to change the area of the TD108 watch receiver. Now you can see you go to the menu and add button. You can see the 0001 is the area. So how to change it? For this 4 bits, you can change from 1 to 9 and A to Z. And also the flash underscore and middle score. So if you want to change the number, just press up and down to change the area. If you want to use the name of the letters, and you can just change this, will be fine. Okay, if you want to remove this to the third number here, long press the menu. Okay, it will go to there and still the same steps and change the area that you want. Okay, this one as well, and this one as well. So you can change it according to your needs about the area. And after you change it and pair the call button, and it will show successfully. Okay, at this moment the area will be here. Okay, that's it. And it's quite easy. If you have more questions, feel free to email us at support@retekess.com. Thank you.